Hello and welcome to our place in Sicily, or welcome back. We're back from the holidays, and today, very exciting news. They're putting the plaster up in the guest house. So let's go take a look.
Scusa, Dio. Lo dice ancora.
Perché è switch off on.
Ah,
off, on.
ok. Sì, sì,
È
lavoro per me. Tutti i giorni.
Tutti i giorni.
Qualificato. So we're having a little technical difficulty. Hopefully you can hear me over the machine. And the technical difficulty, amazingly, is not on the team. It's on us because we need there to be 6 kilowatts or whatever the measurement is for power instead of 3. So we've put in the request that could be immediately, but we have to just wait for the email to come in. They're using a machine for the plastering, but it can throw the breaker. Sometimes it doesn't. I think maybe when it starts to stir, it does it, and it throws it off, like that. And so we're just sort of, the guys are making do with that, and it's kind of exciting. They're here because at the other project they were doing, they were supposed to be here till Monday. It was rainy and windy, and they had outside work to do. So this time the weather was good for us. Hooray for rain and wind. So the guys kept working with the new gun for spraying on the intonaco, and kept putting up with the lack of power. But we did get it on towards the middle of that day. And they said it works so much better when that's not stopping every few minutes. And this machine, the guys are basically refilling with this mix. It's already pre-mixed. The machine mixed. There's a hose of water going in there, and then it goes into the tube. And they're basically trying to figure this out because we keep stopping it. It's ruining their rhythm. They're also using the opportunity to work with everybody on the team, so everybody gets some more experience with this, and not just the mason and muratore. And yeah, it requires a lot of bringing up sacks from the back garden and dropping them in here, and then eventually we bring them into the front of the house. But it's interesting. You'll see there's like a little jagged edge across the top of that machine that cuts the bags in half, makes it easy to open. You see this white line? This white line is where the little metal guides were, so they use that to draw up the straight edge. It's in the right side here. That scrapes off any extra. They'll take their trowel and fill in the spaces, and then they take out the guides that were in here, which help to make it all smooth in one level. And then you just saw Stefano, the boss, filling in one of the holes. So they're doing a pretty good job trying not to spray into any of the outlets here. A little speed up so you can sort of see the whole process all at once. Stefano and Pio, who's new on our team, not new to the team, but new here at the house, are doing their little dance of intonaco. Didn't look like a dance when it's in slow motion, but it definitely looks like a dance now. And this is what it looks like. And you can see it kind of has some texture to it because Stefano came back in over the afternoon, over the weekend, and scraped it clean. And then this is how they set it up to do the top part. In the U.S., our guys would be doing studs and gypsum, and they would be wearing stilts to do this. So entirely different setup here. It's the mason that's doing this, and the team is supporting the mason. Again, another big stack of intonaco You can see this is just sort of going down through the grates. It keeps it from getting all clogged with unmixed parts and stuff. Stefano on the left, the boss, and Pio, the I believe a maestro muratore. And Igor and Stefano are working out some final measurements here. How about a few before and afters of us getting to this spot? Take a look. That's it for this week from the place with the super smooth walls. Thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a comment, like, subscribe, and until next time, ciao ciao.